Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes. What are we doing today? Yeah, VVV. Just something that I want to point out. So the VVV, looking at the weekly chart, we have what we spoke about before. That is a drop base rally. I'll make it bigger. Drop base drop. Sorry. Yep, drop base drop, and then that is a sell zone right there. But there's another way of doing it that I've just found out, and I'll link to the video in the description. And that is this way, where you where, for instance, we have all these red candles. Those are the losses, and then but the green candle before it, you use the open of that and the highest point from the green, like that. So that is another sell zone, and the price currently has respected that sell zone, so it's kind of dropping from that sell zone. So there's two things going on here. So earlier I said that we have the origin of this move, which is here, the drop base drop, that origin, and that it's been exhausted. It's been exhausted actually how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then if it reaches there, it will be 5 times. That will be too many. What it's showing is that there's some sell orders, old sell orders there, and for the price to go up, the buys must be more than the sells. So the sells need to be exhausted, and then the price will go up because buyers will be bidding higher and higher prices. That's what needs to be happening. And then from the origin, there's been we've counted 4 times that's already happened. And I will link to the video in the description from Bernd, who goes through a similar scenario, like almost textbook scenario of why support and resistance, that's another way of doing this, it doesn't work in these situations, and why it would actually break through. But so we've got two opposing situations right here. So if you go by the other way of doing it, the way that I just recently learned, you would think that, okay, this is a sell zone, and then we're approaching it for the first time, and then it's selling off. But if you go follow it all the way to your origin, then you would think to yourself, okay, well, it's been exhausted so many times that it has to hold up. So if we go back again, the volume, let's take a look at the volume. It's picking up, but when there's low volume, the price kind of languishes. And Venice is buying, that's the company that owns the token, is buying every month. So they're a buyer. So if their buying overcomes the selling, then the price will go up. So that is what is at play here. If you like what you're hearing, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. If you want to see the earlier videos, then watch the video to your left. And if you want to see the playlist of what you can use Venice Coin and VVV for, like building in terms of websites, then hit that playlist on the right. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.